welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I'm going to be doing the TikTok makeup mask trend. This is going to be a very easy to do Halloween look. If you don't want to be gruesome, you don't want to use any special effects or anything, you just literally want to make your face but a little bit Halloween-y, a little bit different. So what I'm going to be doing is creating an optical illusion today. I'm very freaking excited. My boyfriend is mowing the lawn, so she's going to be a voiceover today. So you want to gather your supplies. Here's what I've got here. I am using the Poly Eye green contact lenses just because I want to make my face look a little bit more not like me. Using the Orgy palette because the Orgy palette has a different shade range of browns to black tones, so it'll be really good for carving out my face mask shape and everything like that. If you don't want to use a lot of blending, you can use two different types of foundations. I use two different types anyway just to try it as well as blending, but I used a lighter shade and a darker shade, and also all the other things that I needed to do my face, as well as a liquid liner. Liquid liners are very freaking important for this step, as well as eyeshadow brushes. You need your brush. Alright, so step one, put your contacts in, and then you want to get your hair out of your face. So I'm just going to use this headband here. Now, it does take me a while to get your contacts in, and I do feel like if you want to wear contacts, put them in before you do your makeup, because then you're not literally going to get makeup everywhere, you know what I mean? Like, because my eyes water quite a bit when I put them in, so I've got to wait like a good 5 minutes. So once you do that, you're golden. So you want to grab a black shade or a dark brown shade, and you just kind of want to start mapping out where you want to be having your lines. So I want to kind of do the illusion like from here, along this way. It doesn't matter if your line's messy because we are going to clean this line up. And then I'm going to have it like that. And then you just want to bring it down along your chin like so, because you're actually going to black out this part here to make it look more of an illusion. So you're going to legit fill this whole space with black, like a dark black line. If you've got a black lipstick, the blacker the better. But you can already see how you're starting to get that illusion line. But then I'm just going to connect this side to my hairline here, because I'm going to have this as my whole face. And then if you want to kind of zhuzh it up, you can do almost like a mini contour under your chin of your line. So that is going to be my mask. So I'm just going to have it floating like that, but then I'm going to have it all on this side. You can connect these lines up like that. That might make it a bit easier. I might do that. Just wipe. So you can just wipe it away. I have decided to do a full floating one because that will probably be the easiest thing to show you guys. So then I'm just going to choose my line along like that. See, it's super duper easy, like super easy. Like look, you've already got like your floating kind of thing. Then you probably kind of want to do just a bit more of the black down below as well, just because that's what we're going to kind of be blocking out too. But generally around the edge there, after I've applied foundation, I'm just going to start smudging that out and creating a shadow, which you will see now. But without further ado, let's get into it once you've got your line. Let's start with foundation. So put a lighter shade in the round circle that you've made in the inside of your face. Then the outer circle, you want to add the darker foundation. Now once you've blended all of that in, doesn't matter if you mark up the line, you're going to fix it up with liquid liner later. Put on your concealer, blend that in, pretty much the center part of your face. Just do like you would do your normal face, but make sure when you set it with setting powder, you're setting the entire face. So setting the darker shade that's on the outside as well. So now pretty much I'm just putting on the bronzer, putting on some highlighter, doing my eyeshadow, as well as also doing my brows. Just making sure I'm getting my entire face done. So pretty much like a normal face, the only thing different is we've got a weird darker shade of foundation around the very edge of our face, and we've got this weird as black line. But trust me honey, she's gonna make sense soon. Don't stress, we're gonna be able to make sense and it's gonna look freaking stunning. So yeah, that is the first part, or parts if you would rather.
Yeah. Better off. I am wicked, you're insane, but I wouldn't have it any other way. If we're I'm knocked out, I go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches. We're toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cut. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut.
Now we're going to be creating our shadows. So what we're going to do is we're going to carve out the base of the neck. So it looks like the mask and our faces are kind of floating away from our body. Kind of a wee optical illusion trick. So I'm just coloring it under my chin here, kind of giving myself a low-key little beard, but she's cute, you know, she's a little bit cute. And then I'm also going around the edges of my line just to make it a wee bit darker as well. I just really want to accentuate that this is a mask on my face and not me just putting black powder all over my face.
I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut. If I'm knocked out, I'll go the distance, pound for pound. We're a perfect match, pulling punches. We're toe to toe, we're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can.
Here I'm grabbing a small eyeshadow detailing brush just to blend out these edges here. So just going around the edges and then I'm literally just pulling it back, blending it into my foundation that was there, the darker shade of foundation. We're just kind of creating a shadow here, just a wee little illusion. So here's me blending my face.
We're always on the road. Worse or better, we can't stop, we can't stop. 'Cause together we're better off, and we can. Better off, better off. Better off. I am crooked, you're clean cut. I'm wide-eyed, your eyes are shut.
Once you've done that, here comes the liner. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a line here. Also, you're going to do your mask strings. You need little holes and your strings here. But I'm just going to go around the very edge. Oh, look how smooth. And this was so satisfying to do. I did that in one line. I was just like, oh my God, that line was so steady. But yeah, you just want to bring that all together. See how just adding that extra line just gives it that big wow factor? And then I'm adding 2 little dots and then it's some fake strings. So I'm putting one string behind the actual mask and then one looking like it's coming in front of, because you want to create that illusion there. If you do muck this up, you can actually wipe it off super easily with the eyeliner. Then you want to make sure it's lipstick time because that kind of completes the whole face there. And then also you do need mascara and eyeliner, and then you're pretty much done. So when that all happens, you're good to go, you're ready, you're like, hello, I'm here, here's my freaking mask, bitch. Like, you fucking are looking snatched. So now that I've put lipstick on and done it, you can see the optical illusion there. So I'm just going to do my hair. And that is it all done there. So as you can see, it's a super easy one to do if you're just doing a plain face. You just need to add some shadow here. Now, some would say it does look like I've got a beard. You can foundation your neck as well, just to make it more cohesive with this piece. But just making sure that the outer foundation color is a dramatically darker shade than the shade that's on here, because you want it to look like a drop shadow. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But yeah, I thought it was a cute wee, like, you know, You get one of these cute little Insta shots where you're like, oh, here's my face, it's coming off my body, ooh. But that is how you do it there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want next. And until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!